Alright guys, so something I want to show you. This customer's complaint is check and report losing power while driving will not accelerate past 60. So I scanned it for codes. It's got the P0340 cam sensor, right? So here's the cam sensor. Someone has already repaired it, right? But what I found is there's corrosion in the connector. So I try to scrape out as much as I can. But also, something I didn't know, because my shop foreman, he's a shop foreman for a reason, right? So he told me to cut open this harness because somebody has repaired it, and give the wire a slice and see what kind of wires are in here. Because if it has this silver wiring, you're technically not supposed to, well, you shouldn't solder it. If it has copper wires, it's fine, because for some reason the silver wire that's in here, it changes the resistance value when you solder it. So you might get this check engine light back on after 2 weeks, right? Or an intermittent, and you're going to be pulling your hair trying to figure it out, because apparently I think one of the guys here also had the same issue, and it ended up being the silver wire, right? So they ended up replacing the harness, and then it fixed the issue because it kept coming back after 2 weeks. So other than the corrosion in the connector that I found, I'm going to recommend a harness, even though it's been repaired previously. I don't know who did, but told me to cut open this wire to see. It doesn't even look that great. Look at that solder ball there. And then yeah, because it has silver wiring in there and not the copper wire. Something he told me to do, so just so it doesn't bite me in the ass 2 weeks later, you know what I mean? You fix it, you do a repair on the corrosion on the connector, and then it comes back 2 weeks later, and then you know, you have the same code again. Yeah, so you know, there are things that, you know, these senior guys know better than I do. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna recommend a harness. All right, it looks like somebody, this thing's pretty hard. So yeah, anyways, so if you have a 20, well, I guess it's a 1.5 liter turbo with, you know, rodent damage, as you can see, right? Someone's repaired all the wires, right? If, before you solder the wires back together, slice it open and see what kind of wires are inside. But yeah, anyways, hope this helps somebody out there, and thanks for watching.